Hey guys, so the other day I asked you.
Hey, what are you doing here?
What?
Hey, out, get out, get out.
The other day I asked you, what would you do if the internet was up? And here are your answers. Tiba-tiba spend more time on TV that I haven't watched for a year, that kind of feeling. Well, I mean, there's really nothing much on TV, so... Unless you're talking about Netflix and stuff, but then again, that you need internet for, so... Maybe just be staring at the blank screen. Spend my day with family. If you have family, it's okay, still got tons of offline games. I wonder if legal or not. Watch downloaded content, can be anything. Offline games. Blame TM, yes. This is happening like for real. Whenever internet out, internet problem, even if you're not using TM, just blame TM. This is always the case. A lot of people do this. Go out and jalan-jalan, try out new eating places. Don't forget, invite us. We also want to go makan. Keep pressing F5 on browser. What would you do if the internet was out? Step 1. Denial. Bahawasanya internet tak ada, masih tengok phone dengan muka mengharap. Step 2. Anger to internet provider, TNB or whoever around me. TM. Always remember, blame TM. Step 3. Bargaining, struggling to find when there's no internet. Adakah ini salah UMNO, salah PH? I'd rather not involve politics in this kind of thing. Step 4. Depression, thinking of suicide. JK. I hope that is a true JK. No. Step 5. Acceptance. Bahawasanya internet tak ada and then pergi ambil ais bayar. Alhamdulillah. Music, movie, go out, play offline, single player games, clean PC room and The last part is the most important part. Baca Quran. Alhamdulillah. Bagus ni, sangat-sangat bagus ni. Main Dota/Dota Underlords tapi lawan unfair bots. Apa, baik-baik main game lain je lah kan. Jom mandi. Ya Allah, apa punya benda ni kau nak ajak ni? Tak bagus ni, tak boleh ni, tak boleh. Keluarkan koleksi yang di-download masa ada internet. Oh boy. Koleksi apa ni? Wilson. Oh wait, no. I know what you're referring to. I know what you're referring to exactly. Wilson! What bodoh je. Tak perlu buat bila memang bodoh. Game offline ada. We have Skyrim, Witcher 3. Tapi sempat download tak? Kalau tak sempat download tu memang pandang screen je lah cerita dia.
You're screwed. Thank you. Bye.
And that's all for today's episode. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and we do look forward to seeing more comments in the future. So for our next episode, this is what you guys will be commenting on. If you could ask Pokde anything, what would you ask? So be sure to leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys again in a future episode. My name is Aiman from PokdeDotNet, signing out. Bye!